Hey guys, welcome to my new video. 1 month ago I made a video about Rodin and many of you liked it. I will add a link below to watch that video. Now let's talk about Rodin's new features. With the newly added bounded box, we will change the overall appearance of our 3D models by applying specific dimension. Additionally, I will show you how to get 3D models with different textures and styles by uploading 3D models. And this feature is a game changer. For example, I have a simple 3D character model. Rodin will help you get zombie, doctor or football player in the form of this model. For make this, we will use Voxel Control or point cloud controls. And with the results, we will create interesting animations with Mixamo. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, as you can see, are new features. First, bounding box control and voxel control, and let's one point cloud control. So first of all, let's go to here and we can again write here text input for prompts, or we can upload image. Let's click this button and select this sample image, click open, and let's click generate. Okay, here we go. Let's see preview here. Okay, nice, I like it. And let's go to here, this icon. We can see here again bounding box and voxel and point cloud. So today we will use bounding box. Let's click this icon and we can upload 3D model here or handcraft. Let's click handcraft. And right now we can change sizes here for change this model style. And let's see, we can change mouse for see perspective. And let's try change like this, length and height like this, or width. Okay, change this 100 and this 100 and this, let's change 150 or 135. Okay, so and this change 105. So let's click confirm, then let's click redo, waiting for generating. So let's waiting for generating. Okay, here is result. Nice, I like it. Let's change view. Wow, very nice, very creative. And also again we can change bounding box here, or let's continue to create textures. So let's click confirm. Okay, here we go. I like it. And also we can hear material prompts. We can change material text here, or we can use this. And let's click generate, waiting for material generation. Nice, very good, very clean and professional texture. And let's click confirm. So right now we can export this 3D model for use inside Blender or Cinema 4D, 3D Studio Max or Element 3D in After Effects. So we have export to OBJ file or FBX, GLB and other 3D model styles. And today I will use OBJ and textures 1K, or we can choose here 4K and PBR textures. Let's click download. Okay, here we go. We have textures here, texture diffuse, metallic, normal, texture PBR and roughness. Also 3D model OBJ format. So let's open Blender and go to file, import and wavefront OBJ. And let's select this base model. Click import wavefront OBJ. Okay, press S, change scale. Nice, very smooth. I like it. And also click this icon for see segments. Nice, I like it. So right now let's go to shading and let's add textures. Let's create new material. And right now select this texture diffuse. Let's drag and drop into the texture here. Select this color, link to base color. Nice, but we can change colors a little bit. Let's unlink here and Shift A, search colors. and select these RGB curves. Let's use, and select these texture diffuse. Let's link to color. Select these RGB curves, link to base color, and let's change like this. Nice, very good. Let's see. Okay, very good. So in this time, select this metallic and drag and drop here. Also texture normal, drag and drop. And let's see. Select this texture metallic. Let's link to metallic here. And select this texture normal. Select this color. Let's link to normal. Okay, very nice. We can see a reflection and texture details. And select this texture roughness. Drag and drop again here. And let's select color, link to roughness. Okay, very nice. I like it. So let's back to layout and click this icon for see textures. Very nice. I like it. Textures is very beautiful. And let's select this model, right mouse and shade smooth, and go to add mesh and plane. Press S, change scale, and click tab. Select this edge mode, select this edge, and press E and Z. Okay, select this edge and Control B for make bevel. Okay, let's click tab and select this plane, and let's move it down. Okay, and let's select this model, select this rotation tool, change rotation, and select this plane material, create new material, and change color like this, and go to render, choose render engine cycles, and device, and denoise. So back to this icon for world and color, environment texture, click open, and let's use environment image, click open image. So let's click render icon, viewport shading. Okay, not bad, and change strength here a little bit for more lighting. Okay, that's good. So let's try this model inside the After Effects and Element 3D. So let's go to project and right mouse, new composition, add name Rodin, 10 seconds, click OK. And let's right mouse, new and solid, add name Rodin Element 3D. Click OK and go to FX, Video Copilot and Element. Go to Scene Setup and import. Select this base model, click open and click OK. And click normalize size. Let's see, very nice. And let's go to inside the model, default, and we can see here diffuse. Let's click non-set, low texture, and select texture diffuse, click open and click OK. Nice, very good. And let's go to create and create plane, change scale, and move it down. Okay, and let's go to this icon, enable show ambient occlusion. Let's select this default texture and go to here, normal bump and low texture and texture normal. Click open. Click OK. Very nice. And glossiness. Go to, let's select roughness, click open and click OK. Very nice. And go to presets, environment, and let's use this lighting, or try this. Nice, very good. So let's click OK and let's create new camera. Click OK and press C. Let's see, very nice. And let's enable render settings here, physical environment, ambient occlusion, click enable, and change intensity 10 for realistic shadows. Okay, that's good. Let's zoom to model for see details. Very quality textures here. Let's zoom in more. Nice, I like it. So guys, let me show how to use Voxel Control and point cloud controls. Let's click here and upload 3D model. Select this character and click open. And we have very simple character, and we can change these settings, height or weight. Let's write here 3. Okay, and or we can change this 1 for default. Also same links, high results, and click confirm. Right now we can upload image here, or we can write prompts here. Let's click text input and write zombie character and click confirm. Okay, we can see other results. Okay, this is not bad. Let's click confirm. Let's click generate. Okay, very nice, I like it. Let's see these styles. Very good, very quality. I love these details. And let's click confirm. Okay, that's good. And material generation, we can write prompts here, or we can use these prompts. And let's click generate. Okay, here we go. We have already zombie character. I like it. Very detailed textures. So let's click confirm. And right now we can download OBJ file or FBX. Let's select OBJ and click download this 3D model. So guys, after download, go to mixamo.com and upload character here. And let's select this base 3D model, drag and drop here. Okay, so let's click next and let's set up here. Here we go. We have already rigging, and click next. Again, click next. So right now let's go to search and search here zombie. Okay, there are more zombie animations, and let's select this and use. Okay, very nice, I like it. And let's try zombie punch. Okay, and let's click download and choose settings. Let's click download, and after opening Blender, go to file, import and FBX. Select zombie punch FBX and import. Click play. Very nice. Go to shading. Let's create new material and select texture diffuse. Let's drag and drop here and link to base color and click play. Okay, very nice, I like it. And also for use Voxel Control, click here and import character, open, and we can choose scale settings and mode and click confirm. Again, let's write here text doctor and confirm. Okay, not bad. Let's click confirm and click generate. And again, let's confirm here, and we can choose here symmetrical. Let's click yes. Okay, let's preview again. Nice. Texture, let's click generate. Okay, here we go. We have full doctor character, and again we can use Mixamo or other animation softwares for create character animations. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.